receive wealth or prosperity without arrogance, and be ready to let it go. Treat whatever happens as wholly natural, not novel or hard to deal with, but familiar and easily handled. In a word, if there is a God, all is well, and if chance rules do not also be governed by it, so I look for the best and am prepared for the opposite. Consider that before long you will be nobody and nowhere, nor will any of these things sexist that you now see, nor any of those who are now living, for all things are formed by nature to change, and be turned and toperish in order that other things in continuous succession may exist. Be content with what you are, and wish not change, nor dread your last day, nor long for it. I have often wondered how it is that every man loves himself more than all the rest of men, but yet sets less value on his own opinions of himself than on the opinions of others. When you have assumed these names, good, modest, truthful, rational, a man of equanimity, and magnanimous, take care that you do not change these names, and if you should lose them, quickly return to them. Receive without pride, let go without attachment. Is any man afraid of change? What can take place without change? What then is more pleasing or more suitable to the universal nature? And can you take a hot bath unless the wood for the fire undergoes a change? A man, when he has done a good act, does not call out for others to come and see, but he goes on to another act, as a vine goes on to produce again the grapes in season. For God's sake, stop honoring externals, quit turning yourself into the tool of mere matter or people who can supply you or deny you outhouse material things. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself and your way of thinking. Today I escaped anxiety, although I discarded it because it was within me and my own perceptions, not outside. If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Confine yourself to the present. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Whatever happens to you has been waiting to happen since the beginning of time. To live happily is an inward power of the soul. You can commit injustice by doing nothing. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Do every act of your life as if it were your last. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Don't be anxious, nature controls it all. Concentrate on what you have to do, fix your eyes on it, remind yourself that your task is to be a good human being. Remind yourself what nature demands of people, then do it without hesitation and speak the truth as you see it, but with kindness, with humility, without hypocrisy. Don't be overheard complaining, not even to yourself. Do not be perturbed, for all things are according to the nature of the universal, and in a little time you will be nobody and nowhere. True good fortune is what you make for yourself. Good fortune, good character, good intentions, good actions. Let not your mind run on what you lack as much as on what you already have. Objective judgment now at this very moment, and selfish action now at this very moment. Willing acceptance now at this very moment of all external events. That's all you need. Almost nothing material is needed for a happy life, for he who has understood existence